Suffixes al, ial, and ic. These suffixes often signal adjectives which are formed from nouns, but they can also signal nouns formed from verbs. Ultimately, they all suggest associated with or relating to. What I mean by associated with and relating to. Let me go over some examples, and that might help you see it. So the adjectives from nouns, you have fiction. You put on the suffix al, it becomes fictional. That's an adjective. Fiction is a made-up story. Fictional might describe like, oh, that's fictional. You're telling someone that something is made up. It's fictional. So that makes it an adjective when you add the al. Hero is a noun. When you add ic, it becomes heroic. So someone who is a hero might do something, and the thing that they did, the noun, is described with an adjective as heroic. And that's your suffix al and ic. But you also have nouns that are formed from verbs. Your verb is like arrive. If I show up someplace, I have arrived. And that can change to a noun of arrival. Oh, the arrival is scheduled for 10 o'clock. So, it's a noun. It's a specific time or a specific place. The arrival is set to take place over there in the library. It's arrival. It's a thing. Or the verb betray. You add the suffix al here, and you have betrayal. So you start with the verb betray, like someone might betray your trust. That's something they do. It's an action. And then betrayal is the thing that they did. Oh, that was a complete betrayal of my trust when you took my money. That's betrayal. Or when you told my secret, that was betrayal. That's probably a more common thing. If someone's telling your secret, that's a betrayal here. And that is how the verb changes to a noun and how the noun changes to an adjective using the suffixes for this week. Just a little quick aside is the suffix ic has the counterpart ico in some Spanish words. So like magnetic has ic, having to do with a magnet, is an adjective from the noun magnet, magnetic, becomes magnetico in Spanish. So just that same little suffix there becomes ico when you change languages.